So these are humpback whales, and we're in the Monterey Bay submarine canyon where there's tons of anchovies. Good feeding out here these days. Can someone let me know if you can hear the whales? I'm hoping you can hear them.
Harbor porpoises are out past the whales. You see small things coming up and disappearing past behind the whales.
Little black dots.
Far out.
Little black dots are there.
Oh
little
yeah,
black
see
dorsal
them.
fins, dark
Porpoises.
dorsal fins.
Uh-oh. There's my focus again.
That's about as much of them as we ever see.
Probably 3 miles
What do you got, Chris?
a bird tornado.
Oh, sweet.
Maybe 4.
Here comes the tail and the dive.
Nice light. Nice.
Oh, thank you, whales. Okay, they'll probably be down for 5 or 10 minutes or so.
Yeah, it's going to be 1 o'clock now.
Probably where Sanctuary was.
There's a whale that's fluking up right about where they are.
I'm also looking for harbor porpoises out here. I have not seen them yet. The visibility is unbelievable out here. Makes me want to just dive in and go swimming.
That's why we're
Okay.
Fun job.